Hey there, it's Tony from Hinge Outlet with another video to show all of the do-it-yourselfers out there how to get your project done the right way. Today we're going to teach you how to mortise out all your door hinges. The tools you're going to need to install a new door hinge are the HingeMate 350, which comes with a door jig, drill bits, and everything you need to cut out your new door hinge. A drill, of course. We also recommend using these other tools, which are going to make your life a lot easier. A door holder, the Pro Hold magnetic screw holder, and a screw bag if needed. If you have a bunch of other screws, a screw bag can definitely help organize those much better. And here is the HingeMate 350, which we are going to use to mortise out our door so we can attach our hinge. So first off, we're going to put it on the door and we are going to attach it. Now that we've got the HingeMate 350 installed, our next step is going to be to use the drill bit that came with the tool, and we are going to mortise out the hinge area. Just a little tip, before you remove the HingeMate, grab your hinge, slide it in your fresh mortised area, and make sure that you've mortised it out enough. And we are good here. We're good to go. So now that you're done mortising out your door, you want to repeat this process on the door jamb side. So you want to come over here, attach the HingeMate 350 to your door jamb, and repeat the mortising process. Thanks for watching. For more tips, techniques, and information on these products, please visit us at hingeoutlet.com.